Hey kids, did you know you can make pizza out of eggs? I'm going to show you how right now. So I have some farm fresh eggs. Now these were bought from a local farmer. Garden fresh tomato and banana pepper, purple cabbage, cilantro, minced garlic, cheddar cheese, and cumin. And of course, here's my steak. Now this was left over from another meal. You can see it's already finely chopped. Red potatoes and golden potatoes. Now I'm going to use butter instead of oil today. So I'm going to heat up my pan, the butter. Now you can see these eggs are all different sizes and colors. The color of the egg is determined by the chicken that laid it. So you can see some of these are really big and some of them are really small. See that? Now when you buy eggs at the grocery store, they sort them by size and color. That's why when you buy a carton of eggs, they all look the same. While I'm waiting for my pan to heat up, I'm going to wash some eggs. Look at that. You can still see the feathers from the chicken on these eggs, so they need to be washed. Now you can see the shape of the eggs is different. This one's really oblong and this one's not. Now I'm going to crack these open. You know you have good eggs if the yolk is nice and orange. They're full of calcium. Now I'm going to scramble these up. Some minced garlic. Cumin, cilantro, I'm going to cut this cheese.
Someone cut the cheese. It smells like... No.
But if you have grated cheese, go ahead and use it. I'm going to give this a stir. I'm going to put about half of the steak in here. I'm going to take the rest of the steak. I'm going to cut my banana pepper. I'm going to take this part out. I'm going to take half of my banana pepper and put them in here. And the other half I'm going to put in with the eggs. Now I'm going to cut some cabbage. Purple power! I'm going to put this in with the steak. This is going to be one of my side dishes. You can see the butter's melted. I'm going to put this right in here. I also found a little piece of onion. I'm going to chop it up and put it in. Now on this half of the pan, I'm going to pour my eggs. I'm going to take my tomato. I'm going to put a couple of slices of tomato on here. And some cheese. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm just going to steam this for a little bit, maybe 10 minutes. We want this cheese to melt here. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to cut some potatoes. I'm going to dice them up small so they cook fast. That looks like enough. Got some salt and pepper. We'll just let this cook until the cheese is melted.
A few moments later.
Now we're ready to plate our meal. Turn off the heat. Now you can fold this if you want, or you can cut it. You can cut it into slices like a pie. Look at that. And as always, I'm ready to eat.